Hey everyone, if you live in a dorm, apartment, RV, or just have a tiny kitchen, you know the struggle of washing dishes by hand. But guess what? The Comfee Portable Countertop Dishwasher might be the game changer you need. Right away, I love that it's lightweight and doesn't need permanent installation. Perfect for renters. Asterisk, here's the cool part. You can use this dishwasher two ways, with a faucet hookup or by manually filling the 6L built-in tank. Great for RVs or dorms where you don't have a sink nearby. Just attach the hose, turn on the water, and you're good to go. Now let's load it up. It fits 10.5-inch plates, bowls, cups, and even small pots. Pro tip, place taller items at the back and glasses on the top rack for best cleaning. This little machine packs 5 wash programs. Normal, everyday dishes slash. Rapid, quick 30-minute wash. Hygiene, heats water to 192 degrees Fahrenheit for baby bottles. UV Hygiene, kills bacteria for extra cleanliness. Fruit, yes, it washes fruits too. Glass, streak-free shine. Plus, it has auto-open drying. The door pops open after wash and lets steam out, and a turbo fan dries dishes faster. Auto-open drying lets steam escape, reducing moisture. The built-in turbo fan speeds up drying. Remove dishes once the cycle ends, prevents lingering odors. Asterisk, the Comfee Portable Dishwasher is perfect for small apartments, dorms, RVs, and campers. Parents sanitizing baby bottles. If that's you, this would be a lifesaver. If you hate hand washing and need a space-saving solution, this is a great buy. Check the links in the description for the best deals. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more cool gadget reviews.